Right. Okay, good morning, guys. I explained to you guys that once I got the soap into the bottles, I was going to come back and let you guys see how good it leather. And this is the black charcoal activated soap. And I had enough for 2 bottles. I'm just going to show you how good it leathers, guys. So, put a little bit in there and want you guys to pay attention to how good it leathers up. And it smells so good, but you can turn it into like a body wash. You guys can see the leather on that. Leathers up very, very good. So I just waited. And then with the black charcoal activated soap, guys, because of the black charcoal activated, you're not going to get, it's not going to get as creamy as like Crest of Oil of Olay soap because of the powder form charcoals. It'll stay more liquidy, but the lathering will be real good. You guys see how good that leather. So don't be alarmed if you do make the black charcoal activated soap and it look real watery and think you're not going to get a good lather. You will. And then this is another one. And then this one I put a little bit of fragrance oil in it, a little Guilty Gucci. But if you see it, it's watery, right? But you're going to get a really good leather in it. See that? A little goes a long way, and it smells amazing, guys. Smells really amazing. But you see that leather that it gets. I just wanted to do the follow-up video to show you guys. And you know, I make mine myself. I actually make soap. So I make mine myself, but you can, you know, pick it up from the store if you don't want it to be in a soap. You can put it in a liquid, just grate it, and then do the soap, the cups of water per bars of soap if you got a smaller bar. And when I'm saying a cup, measure out your cup with these type of cups. Don't really do, because I did mine in coffee cups. And because those cups can be bigger, but find a measuring cups that say a cup. So if you got 1 bar of soap, you can do 2 to 3 cups of water per bottle of soap to make the body wash black charcoal African soap. Okay, guys, have a great morning. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.